I've got some breaking bread news. My wild rice Nitro Stout beer bread recipe and maple spread is a finalist in the Minnesota Wild Rice contest this month. And I wanted to let you know that this bread recipe can also be converted from a bread into a pan bread, which you can do right on your stovetop or in one of these little cookers, so you don't have to heat up your whole house. Another option is to use a cooker to turn it into a sandwich. By sticking in some of your favorite fillings, you'll be eating a fresh baked bread sandwich in no time. And you can also take the exact same recipe and pour it into your waffle iron and make waffles, whether you want freeform or the standard size. My husband's favorite thing that I do with this beer bread recipe is turn it into donuts. Yes, that's right. My wild rice Nitro Stout beer bread recipe can even make you donuts. Isn't that something? And the maple spread that goes with it pairs well with every single one of these variations as well. When you're looking for a recipe that goes together in one bowl and has you eating bread from start to finish in just a little over 1 hour's time, you can't say no to that. Be sure to head on over to MinnesotaWildRice.org, which is MNWildRice.org, and look for my recipe along with all the other finalists in the Minnesota Wild Rice contest this year. Be sure to go wild September with wild rice. Enjoy!